Welcome students. In this video, we shall discuss another example of inline frame. As we know, inline frame is used to display one or more web pages inside main web page. Here, I have write code for inline frame. First, I will show you the output. To execute this code, first click on this three dot, then click on open in browser, select Chrome web browser. Select this address, click on copy, and in address bar just paste the address, click on go. So this is our expected output. Here we can see the web page having background color green, which is our main web page, and inside this main web page one inline frame is inserted with background color yellow and one sentence that is IT department. So this is our another web page. So for this web page, we shall write two codes. First code for main web page and second code for web page inserted inside inline frame. Now we shall see its source code. Here I have write both the codes. First, I will show you the main web page code, that is I save with name inlineframe.html. So every HTML5 code start with doctype HTML, then HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag. Here I have given title to this web page, that is inline frame. Then close title tag, close head tag, body tag, bg color is equal to green. It will give background color green to this web page. Then to display one sentence, here I use h1 tag. So inside h1 tag, write one sentence, that is SJSM College, close h1 tag. So this is our basic code. Hope you understood this much code. From here our actual code start. So to insert inline frame in our web page, we use iframe tag. So iframe tag src is equal to it.html. So this is our another web page URL. So here it.html web page is display in inline frame. Then I use another attribute of iframe tag, that is name attribute. So name is equal to it. It will give name to our inline frame. Then close iframe tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. Save your file and just execute it. So here I refresh this page. So see, this web page containing one inline frame, and inside that inline frame we inserted another web page. Now we shall see the code for second web page. So in Andwriter application, I have already write the code for second web page. So this is our code of second web page, which I save with name it.html. So doctype HTML, then HTML tag, head tag, title tag. Title is second web page, then close title, close head, body, bg color is equal to yellow. It will apply yellow background color to this second web page. Then h2, inside h2 I write IT department, close h2, close body, close HTML. I will show you the output of this web page. So this is our second web page with background color yellow and with one sentence, that is IT department. This web page I have inserted in our main web page inside inline frame. So move back to our first code, that is inline frame.html. Now if we want to change the height and width of our inline frame, we use another attribute of iframe tag, that is height attribute and width attribute. So here after name attribute I write width attribute. Width is equal to 500 and height is equal to 300. Save your file and in web browser refresh your page. See, the height and width of our inline frame is increased. So like this you can change the height and width of your inline frame. Now in this web page I want to insert another inline frame. To display sentence in another inline frame without developing a new web page, here we shall use attribute of iframe tag, that is src doc. src doc attribute is specify HTML content to show in inline frame. So move back to source code. So in source code, after first inline frame we are going to insert another inline frame. So here I write again iframe tag, then I write src doc is equal to, in double quote I write h2 tag, that is second heading level tag. Inside I write one sentence. English department, then close h2 tag, close double quotes, close angular bracket, then close iframe tag. So it will insert another inline frame with one sentence English department in our web page. Now save your file and in web browser just refresh your page. See, another inline frame is inserted. Heading level tag, one heading, that is English department. So like this you can insert multiple inline frame in one web page. Thank you.